Hi everyone, welcome to our video journal of VoygerHacks. In this hackathon, we have been given a task of creating an application that is going to enhance the user travel experience. So after thinking a lot, we decided to create an travel itinerary generator and a chat hotel system recommendation using generative AI, using beautiful graphics. So we got selected in the final round and for the final presentation, we had to go to Delhi. So this is our entire travel documentary where I'll be documenting the entire experience in the hackathon. Our flight from Durgapur landed at Delhi around 9 pm. There, my cousin and our UI developer Sayan Sinha has been waiting for us at the airport, who traveled all the way back from Pune. And to be honest, it's been good to see him after a long time. And then we headed to the hotel. Once we reached our hotel, we quickly opened our bags to grab a bite of the snacks that we brought from home. And then we decided to go for a small walk. But the Delhi's weather was extremely windy, moist, cold, and foggy. We returned back, then have a dinner, and then we decided to sit together, have a discussion, and resolve the pending bugs that we had. And the bugs took the entire day and night. We kind of slept at 6 am in the morning and then again have to wake up at 9 pm to go for the TBO hackathon destination. All of my teammates are currently working from home. We don't get much opportunities to visit offices like this. So this hackathon provided us a unique opportunity. So we are very excited to see the TBO office. How is the office culture? Maybe interact with few people would be very interesting. But once we came to the Gurugram city, we are kind of surprised by seeing the huge skyscrapers, the beautiful metro that it has to offer, and the elegant buildings. I have been to many cities in my lifetime, but the Silicon City of India, Bangalore, has nothing such as magnificent like Gurgaon to offer. The buildings in Gurgaon were something very special, and I was very overwhelmed to see those. Then I go and check out the office, and it was very amazing experience. Once we finished our lunch, the TBO team told us it is our time to present. Our feet turned cold. Even though we prepared a lot before the presentation, but the stage fear kicked in. But we held our nerves and gone to the presentation room. Once we entered the presentation room, initially we forgot few of the lines, but then we taken pace and given a smooth presentation.
So throughout this whole journey, right, of 2 months, it's been great how TVU team has supported us, their HR team, as well as they had somebody from the engineering team as our mentor who helped us better understand our use case and also given us feedback over the prototype phase, and everything else has been so great all while. And coming here, getting to meet them, being able to pitch our idea before them has been great, and we look forward.
After giving the presentation, I decided to relax a bit, and what better way to do than playing a PlayStation. I never played a PlayStation before, so my cousin quickly rushed to help me to understand how the control and the joystick works. I quickly gathered those info and decided to play a game with my friend Jayita. To my surprise, she turned out to be a very good player. She defeated me twice in both of the rounds and I lost very badly. But it was fun never though. We chatted, we played. It was a fun and light time to have. Few days have been very hectic. And then it was the time for the final prize distribution ceremony. We are very nervous to understand what is going to happen. Who is going to win the prize? Then the final prize distribution round happened. But sadly, we were not able to clinch victory this time. and we got a consolation prize. We need to rethink, regroup, and understand what went wrong. Once we reached hotel, we decided not to think about what happened at TBO, maybe work even harder next time. For now, we decided to have some light conversation to lighten our mood.
কৌশিককে এক চড়বে ঠাস করে বলে যে কৌশিক দক্ষিণ বাড়িটা ঠাস করে মেরে দিয়েছি কি আমি পারি করু রাত মে
ফিলিং সো গুড।
ভাই
কৌশিককে দেখে কাকু কাকু মনে হয় ভাই ওকে এখন।
ও বিয়ে করে নিয়েছে 22 বছরে।
22 বছরে? কয়টা কি 22 বছরে বিয়ে করে নিল?
22 না 24 বছরে বিয়ে করে নিয়েছে।
জিন্দা লাশ।
তাই কোন
আমরা সোনা খাই বলে এই চিহ্নে ভোট দিই।
আমরা ফটো দিলাম এই চিহ্নে ভোট দিই।
ব্যক্তি সিম্বল
এই চিহ্নে ভোট দিই কি না এই চিহ্নে ভোট।
After our light conversation, we decided to plan and rethink what happened here. What went wrong, regroup, rethink, and then work even harder for the next project. And that is what we decided. And next day, we decided to went to Delhi to visit the old historic monuments.